Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and freeze your Snapchat location. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the one thing that you can do is, first of all, you can simply access a particular Snapchat app in your mobile phone and tap on at this little profile icon on top left corner of the screen. And now go ahead, tap on, scroll down and tap on at this location, right? Tap to explore the snap map, and here in this section you're gonna find this kind of interface. First of all, right, you can tap on the settings option on top, and now here in this section you can find this option called ghost mode. If it's turned on, your friends can't see your location. So this is basically you're gonna freeze your location into any particular location that is detected from your device, and just you're gonna simply turn this on and nobody will be able to access your location. And you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this maybe letter, so now the location is just not turned on. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.